Oh my God, baby. Baby, you gonna be. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. a video without the bra on, so that way you can see how low I hang, and then if the tape is going to bring me up to where I want to be. So this is where I want to be. I don't want to be at my chin, but I do want to have some type of lift. And so I decided to go ahead and use this shirt, and so this is the before the bra. Okay, y'all, so I have my nipples covered because I don't want to get flagged. But this is me without my bra, and I wanted you all to see. This is me, and you are about to see me with the tape. Okay, y'all, so I'm actually back, and I wanted to show you, I actually grabbed a different shirt from my closet because what I was trying to do was, when I wear bras, I have a hard time with plunge bras because they don't fit me well. So I fixed this to where I can wear it as a plunge. So this is what it looks like. This is the after, y'all. And I wanted y'all to see. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit of the tape on how I applied it. Now, y'all, let me tell you, I had a time with this tape. I'm being honest. I had a time with this tape. But if you take your time, it can work out. Because at first, I was like, oh, God. But then as I was going along, I was like, ooh. This is working out pretty cool. So I wanted to show you all what it looked like. So this is the top that I grabbed because sometimes I like to wear my tops open, and it's hard because the type of bras that I wear, they come up to about right here. But this, as you can see, it looks good, y'all. I really like that. I'm going to need more practice with the tape because I know that I can use less tape because I have to use a lot because I've told you in the beginning that I was a 38K. So, but I really do like this. This is something I'm definitely going to do when I decide to wear a shirt open like this. So, I'm gonna pull it down a little bit more so y'all can actually see it. So, this was some work now. This was some work. But when you are top heavy like that, see, got a little bit of tape. But there is a way to kind of like, see, that's why I said I need to practice because I probably don't even need that piece there. I probably can just kind of cut that, but this is actually a dress, not a shirt. But I just wanted to grab something. If you like it. I'm also going to be posting on my Instagram as well. Before you leave, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave questions and comments, and y'all be sure to check me out on my Instagram at maculatelife and also on my TikTok at mitchelettangel. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. You all have a great weekend, and yeah, I love it, y'all.